Hey guys, it's me. I'm just popping in here because I just wanted to show you this sample of this awesome little watercolor that I just got. I had placed an order with WhittsWatercolor. As you know, I did a review of their watercolors a couple of weeks ago, and I'll put that in the description box below. But I got a sample of one of their new color shift paints, and I have to tell you, it's magic in this teeny tiny little pan. See it? Let's go down to the table and I will show you why it's so magical. All right, so here we are at the table. I've got the little tiny sample of paint. You can see how small this is, and you can kind of already tell what makes it so magical as it is bouncing against the light of the window. This, my friends, is a color shift shimmery watercolor paint. Isn't that wonderful? This is called bitchin because it really is a bitchin color. Now I've got some black cardstock and some white watercolor paper. We're gonna play with it a little bit and see how it works. So basically, just like any other shimmer watercolor, I like to just add a drop of water, in this case probably half a drop, because it's so small and I want it to kind of stay thick. I'm going to move all this stuff around so you can see both papers really well. Excuse me. All right, here we go. So because this is teeny tiny, there is no magnet on the bottom, and so let me just do my best to hold it still. Oh, it wets really well. As you can see, I've already been playing with this quite a bit. So I'm just going to put it on. And when I test out watercolors, I don't usually write their names. I'll just put a simple hello or hi. It does move around a bit. And I like to keep it thick because then you don't have to do as many layers. But sometimes when with little pans that are that small, like a big drop could really water the stuff down. But with all shimmer colors, you definitely kind of need to lay it on thick to get the full opacity, the full coverage on the paper. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside to give it some time to dry, and then I'm going to do, you can already see, you saw that shift when I moved it up there, didn't you? See, from the green to the pink, so cool. So let's see what it looks like against the black. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if I think I'm off camera, but that's okay. It almost reminds me of like an oil slick type effect. Now this black paper that I'm using, I have tons of, but I'm not a fan of it because it's very smooth. It's probably great for card making and for layering for card making, but it's not great for watercolor because it doesn't have that tooth that paper like this has, where it can kind of catch the watercolor. So you can tell probably in even my older videos of me writing with this paper that it could be a little splotchy and it has nothing to do with the paint. It has everything to do with the paper. So I'm trying to use up all this paper so that I can buy some more toothy black cardstock, or just a little slightly rougher. This stuff is just so smooth. And I'm gonna let that dry, and it's looking amazing against the black. So I'm gonna let these dry, and then we're gonna come back and see that fun color shift. Guys, I am back, and I am actually holding my camera, which is my phone, so I can show you how cool this color shift really is. So because as you can see right here, it starts off like a green, and you can even see it in the pan itself. It starts off like a green, kind of shifts into like a goldy copper kind of color. And as you can see, as I slowly hover above it, there's a nice pink. Isn't that really cool, guys? Let's do it against the black, because it tends to really pop against this black paper. And as I move the camera up, you can see right there, there's like the entire spectrum of the colors in this color shift paint. And then when you go over it like this is my favorite color right here. Awesome. So I will put in the description box below all the information you need to find Amanda at WhittsWatercolor, where you can buy this really fun paint. Again, this size right here, this is a sample, so it's really small, but you can purchase them in half pans, I believe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and visit her over on Etsy. She will answer all the questions you have and even create custom palettes just for you. I will see you guys next time. Let me know if there's anything you want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff so I can keep making these fun videos for you. And I will see you guys next time, because I already said that.